just to give you a better idea on this thing. About ready to pour this tomorrow. So we've got, you can see it here. We've got a number 5 bar mat on the bottom. See if I can get you down there. Got a number 5 bar mat there, all across the bottom. And then we've got a number 5 bar running from one side to the other every 12 inches in the top 1 inch. And then underneath of that, we've got a number 3 there every 16 inches this way. So we're fairly overkilled on it, I believe. See if I can get you over here with see this view. right over here. You got the funnest remote control you could ever have. give you guys an idea of the support system underneath it here. So these walls are all on 2-foot center this way. And then every stud is 16 on center. You get down there, one crew came from this way, one came from that way, both laying out different. Both laying out left to right as they came to the center. That's why that stud, you notice the walls, studs shift right there. But yeah, you can't walk through here. It's impossible. That's what it takes. Next time I'll go with form system though. Just rent it. But this is what we're doing this time. So that concludes the pour of the suspended slab. That's 100,000 pounds of concrete. That's an 8-inch thick slab. It's 20 feet deep by 50 foot long. The whole building's 60, so we've got a stairwell hole there that's 10 feet, give or take. I think it's like 8 feet. But regardless, that is 100,000 pounds of wet concrete, supported by all that framework underneath there, guys. Now, the garage will be on top. There is a 16-foot building going on top of that. And all the upper portion will be a hangout area in the garage. Downstairs is 1,200 square feet of living space where you saw all that framed up stuff. And it's going to be pretty damn nice. Just stick around. You'll see what's up. We haven't stripped those forms yet. It's been a week and a half or so since we poured this, I think. So we'll be stripping those forms in about 2 weeks. We can strip them in 7 days. That's 75% of compressive strength of the concrete is reached at 7 days per our engineer, but we're gonna wait. You know, plus we've got some other projects that are in front of that. You'll see another video coming real soon because we've got a lot of footage and I haven't had a lot of time to upload video. So stick around, a lot of cool stuff coming up. And the next one's gonna be a truss set video. We're gonna do some, I think it's a 70-foot long building. 41 trusses or something like that, 40 trusses. Pretty cool setup. So that'll make a cool video too. Y'all stick around, tune in next time. Thanks for being here, love you, thanks, bye. Subscribe, like. We're trying to get paid over here. It's not, we need 1,000 subscribers, guys. That's what we need. We need watch time hours too. So if you got some time, just sit back, let our videos play. I try to make them interesting. If you guys got any suggestions, hints, tips, or tricks, feel free to bloop them down there in the comments and I will definitely read them. I appreciate you guys. Thanks for being here again and like and subscribe. See you next time.